Begin packing the column by re-slurrying the media to ensure homogeneity. Pour the media through the reservoir into the column at once by decanting down a spatula. This gives an even presentation of gel slurry and prevents formation of air bubbles. For smaller, narrow columns, pour the media through a small funnel. This is shown in the gel filtration column packing on this CD. Eliminate air from the top adapter as before by forcing 20% ethanol through the adapter with a syringe connected to the top, again leaving a thin meniscus over the net. Insert the adapter to meet the gel slurry and fasten it in place. If your packing configuration does not include an adapter, fill liquid to the top of the reservoir. Making a drop-to-drop connection, attach the pump to the column. Remove the bottom stop plug and start the pump. Always check the recommended flow rate for the media you are using. The volumetric flow will change with diameter. With a 2.6 centimeter diameter column like this one, Q-Sephiro's fast flow should be packed at a flow rate of 35 milliliters per minute. The column will begin to pack immediately. If you cannot achieve this flow rate, use the highest flow rate you can achieve without overpressuring either the media or the column. The packing flow rate should be maintained for 3 bed volumes after a constant bed height has been reached. Mark the level of the gel in the column with a marking pen. Stop the pump and stopper the column. Over a beaker or sink, detach the reservoir from the column. Mount the column and fill the space above the media with distilled water. Form a meniscus at the top. Remove air from the adapter as before and place it at a 45-degree angle into the top of the column. Lower gently. Remove any media particles and liquid from the upper portion of the column that may lie in the thread path of the adapter. Lower the ring and tighten the adapter. Now slide the adapter down to meet the packed media, expelling liquid out through the top as the adapter is pressed down. The bed may have started to expand upwards at this point. This is normal. Press the adapter approximately 3 millimeters below the surface of the gel bed and firmly tighten the top adapter. Run the column to check for any leaks or gaps. And your perfectly packed column is now ready for use.